Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create this shutdown shortcut icon on your desktop. So don't wasting any more time. Let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are facing this issue of shortcut icon arrow, so you can watch this video which was showing in I button. So guys, the first step is to right click on your desktop, and now here from the menu you have to click on new, and here you click for shortcut, and now here you have to type shutdown.exe space -s -t space 0. Let me explain this, guys. Shutdown.exe -s means shutdown, and -t 0 means time sets to 0. It means immediate shutdown of our computer. So click on next after this and give the name to the shortcut icon. I am giving a blank name. Enter. And guys, our icon is created. This will shut down our computer. Let me change the icon. Right click on the icon, and from the properties you can change icon. Click on OK. Guys, you can set default icon or custom icon. Make sure, but when you use a custom icon, so the icon should be in .ico format. So I am using a custom icon which I downloaded from Chrome. I am going to show you this one, and I am converted this PNG image to ICO from here. So I am provide these links in below description. So let me add it. Here it is. Open it. Click on OK and apply and set it OK. Guys, you can see our icon is created, and now when I click this, my laptop should be shut. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Guys, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.